Okay, here's the G scale. Now, the major scale, or just as we call it, the scale, is the same from any position as a sound. That is, we still want it to sound like do, re, mi. But now that I'm starting from this open G string, I have to change the frets that I'm playing so I can still have the same sound as a major scale now that I've got a different starting note. So, let's see how it sounds. Good. Now if you came to your lesson, I would have written in the actual missing notes so we can complete that major scale. Look and connect though, I will have a copy for you completed in the library. The G scale again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try another scale that is almost the same as that G scale. It's called the E minor pentatonic. It's used a lot in music, and a lot of melodies, especially on guitar, revolve around this shape and sound. So, instead of starting from this G string, I'm going to start from the next string towards the top of the guitar and play fret 2, of course using finger 2. So, that is the E note. Next note is our open G. Next note is A, which is fret 2. Next note is the open B string. Next note is the 3rd fret on the B string, which is D. And the next note is our open E string. When I put the notes together in a sequence, they sound like this. We can also add this note, which is another G. I'm going to play it again, but add that G note on the top. And backwards from high note to low note. Good. So, if I play this for example, this might sound familiar, and it uses this particular pentatonic shape. Okay, so you can see that lick is just going backwards. And in fact, when they play it and they get to this note, they give it a wiggle to bend it up to the next note, which makes it sound bluesy. But that's a lesson for another time.